I don't know if anybody uses ECAM, but I use it quite a bit to graph out data. This is it's an XLA plugin. I tend to just import data using this button here, and then I just use the graphs here. Unfortunately for me in the UK, it is in statute IP unit, so when I've tried to use the the M&V kind of stuff, it fails. I'm not sure if that's because of units or for some other reason, but it usefully just tags all the data. The actual data's here, and it takes data with a timestamp and then just tags it with a bunch of things that are filterable. So if you go to, you can, for example, if I click on this and then go to box plot, I create something like this, which I can just I can filter through and check individual years, and it kind of traces quite usefully the statistical kind of percentiles, min, max, median and average, so it's quite useful for developing inputs to simulation models. One thing I did myself using the underlying data but not using a macro in ECAM was created pivot tables with conditional formatting as carpet plots. So they're just arranged like this, year, hour, and the sum of the value. So they're all stacked on each other, so you can view them synoptically. So you can see, here, for example, if you just click on them, you can see the values. So yeah, these are in kilowatts. So they're running a backup generator here, and you can see that across the impact of that across 2 meters. I've got outdoor air temperature plotted on the bottom, and I've kind of put together some macros. This might take a while on this PC, but I can update years. It could be a lot better than this. So this is where they lost the combined heat and power for about a month and a half, but we can actually see what the building would look like properly during that month and a half if they weren't if they didn't have their own little power station. So that's the kind of source data. It came from half hourly. I kind of wish I kept the half hourly, but this is hourly, broken down into daily, which I've subsequently used as to develop the input files for the IMT. So I don't know how much these are over-specified. Using spill functions in Excel as well, that's really useful. But yeah, that's it. Just wondering if anyone else was using ECAM, basically. ECAM is the kind of organisation of data. ECAM's graphing facilities, and perhaps even using a bit more of this toolbar than I've been using. That'd be really good.